But first, coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here with another video. And today we are going to unbox a new subscription box that I just found out about. It's called yesohyas. It's definitely a new subscription, so not a lot of people have ever heard of them, but it's real, and let's put it to the test and see what's inside. Also, they reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and were generous enough to offer all my subscribers 10% off your first order. All you gotta use is Pandora at the checkout. We have 7 products today, so for $12.99 a month, this one was definitely bingo. First 2 items are 2 brushes from Bella Pierre, an angle brush, and the other one is a synthetic flat brush. So I believe this would be really good to apply your shimmery shades on your eyelid. I don't care that much for the angle brush, but the synthetic, the flat brush seems to be okay. Next thing I got is the strobing cream from Nabi. I have never heard of this brand before, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here is a swatch. It looks very extra creamy. It gives a little natural sheen. I don't think this one is like bling, like, you know, blinding you kind of glow. We'll see. We'll have to test it out and see. The next thing in the box is a makeup base. This is a base from Bella Pierre. Let's see. Let's open up and see how it looks like. It has slightly pinkish undertone, if you can tell, but we'll have to put it to the test and see how it performs. So far, not too bad. Okay, so the next thing is a loose eyeshadow, I believe, or sheen. Let's open up and see what it is. Loose shimmery pigment or something like that. Let's see. Probably the best would be to put it on the base that I applied earlier. So let's try it with and without. So this is on top of the base. Ooh, this is pretty. It has like a purplish, I don't know if you can see, it has like a purplish, white purplish feel to it. There we go. I don't know if you can tell. It's actually a very beautiful color, guys. Let's put it to the test without any base right next to it. It performs pretty much the same. So the next are another loose shimmer eyeshadow. So let's switch it up and see how they look like. So the next one, the next color is lavender. And here how it looks like. It's very pretty. And I have no base under that side, so it looks pretty good. And the other one looks like it's purple. There you go. So the other one is purple. I would say they're very pretty cool undertones, perfect for winter. One thing is for sure, they're pretty pigmented. Look at that. Now how they're gonna look on the eyes and how they're gonna perform, because it's one thing when you swatch it on your hand, and it's a different thing when you work on the eyes, and I don't know how the blendability of them is yet. So I'm definitely keeping my subscriptions on and see what other products we're gonna get on the next couple months. What do you think, guys? Would you like me to do that like an every month thing? So this is it for today, guys. If you'd like to check them out and see what they have in store, the link is going to be in the description bar. Also, if you would like a 10% off from your first subscription box, use code Pandora, as simple as that. But it's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video, guys. Bye!